Welcome to Motor Masters, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, expert insights, and everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Beast, a machine built to redefine power, luxury, and performance. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a tech enthusiast, or someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, the 2025 Beast is designed to exceed all expectations. This next-generation vehicle is engineered with a 6.5L twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 1,200 horsepower and 1,100 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system, the 2025 Beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars on the planet. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, providing an exhilarating driving experience whether you're on the track or the highway. But the 2025 Beast isn't just about raw power, it's a masterpiece of aerodynamics and design. The exterior features an aggressive yet elegant look, with a carbon fiber body that enhances both strength and weight reduction. The Active Aero system, including a retractable rear wing and adjustable front splitter, dynamically adjusts to optimize downforce and stability at high speeds. Sleek LED headlights and a futuristic light bar tail light give it a signature presence on the road, making sure it turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, the 2025 Beast is a fusion of luxury and cutting-edge technology. The cockpit is wrapped in premium Alcantara and hand-stitched leather, with a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring AI-powered voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The premium surround sound system, developed in collaboration with Bose, delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for long drives or high-speed thrills. Safety and driver assistance are paramount in the 2025 Beast. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, and a 360-degree camera system. The semi-autonomous driving mode allows for hands-free cruising on highways, while the advanced braking system with carbon ceramic discs ensures precise stopping power even at extreme speeds. Customization is at the heart of the 2025 Beast. Buyers can choose from a range of bespoke colors, carbon fiber accents, and performance upgrades. The track package includes lighter forged wheels, a stiffer suspension setup, and enhanced aerodynamics for those who crave ultimate performance on the circuit. With a limited production run of only 500 units worldwide, the 2025 Beast is set to become a collector's dream. The starting price is expected to be around $750,000, making it a supercar reserved for the elite few who demand nothing but the best. At Motor Masters, we bring you the most thrilling automotive content, and the 2025 Beast is a car that embodies everything we love: power, innovation, and craftsmanship. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on the world's most exciting cars. Let us know in the comments, would you take the 2025 Beast for a spin?